guys? Welcome back to an episode of Life Made Easy. And today, guys, I'm going to be bringing you my top 3 budget gaming PC builds. These are all pre-built, and they're on. You can find them in most retailers: eBay, Amazon. I do recommend checking out Amazon just because eBay's prices are a little finicky here. These aren't the exact prices that they should be going for. People usually upcharge you on PCs on eBay. But yeah, I'd recommend heading over to Amazon, picking one of these up because I think they're a bit cheaper. So starting off, we got a Dell gaming PC, Ryzen 7 1700. It's got a 120 gigabyte SSD and a terabyte hard drive with an RX 580 8 gigabyte. Okay, so this is pretty solid, and you don't usually see gaming PCs by Dell, but I've seen many reviews of this one. It's a pre-built system, and it has good upgrade qualities to it, I've heard, and it's got great I/O, and for the price, this is actually really solid, especially the processor you're getting. You're getting an AMD Ryzen 7 in this build, which is insane. And the other thing that's great about this is it comes with the SSD, which you can load Windows on, so everything is going to be much faster. Usually, if you strictly have a hard drive on your PC, everything is going to load up much slower. It's going to power on much slower. This thing gets up 3 gigahertz, 16 gigabytes of RAM, insane, and you got that terabyte hard drive to put all your games on. So, I mean, honestly, like, this thing's awesome. RX 580, 8 gigabyte graphics card. That thing's amazing too. Realistically, this thing doesn't have any downsides. It's pre-built. It's amazing. Made by Dell, reliable company. This is a great entry-level PC. If you're trying to play games, you probably won't get like 1440p gaming on here, but you could probably get solid 1080p gaming. So that's going to be the first one on our list. Solid pick. You can also pick this up on Amazon, by the way. But if you want to get this on eBay used, you can get it for $6.59. So really good price. Okay, moving on, we have the CyberPower Gaming PC. This one's available on Amazon. I do not recommend you buy it on eBay just because it's much cheaper. You can get this for $7.99 off Amazon. Okay, so let's just scroll down to the specs we got here. Okay, so what do we got? We got a i5 9400F, 2.9 gigahertz, so slightly less, 8 gigabytes of DDR4, I believe. So yeah, insane processor, really up-to-date processor. You get a GTX 1660, which is like way better than the GTX 1060, major upgrade there. That thing, you can run any 1080p game, honestly. You might be able to get 1440p gaming out of this as well. Oh, this isn't specs. But yeah, this thing is amazing, guys. Here we go. Yeah, okay, so it's DDR4, Windows 10. Yeah, these all come with Windows 10 anyway. Hard drive, 7200 RPM. Does this come with an SSD? I don't think so. The one on Amazon I know does. NVIDIA graphics card. Does this come with an SSD? It does on Amazon. I don't know why it's not listing it here. I don't know, that's strange. But yeah, if you want to go pick this up, you can get it on Amazon as well, and I think it does come with an SSD on that one. So you can also select the 1660 or 1660 Ti, which is even faster. So I think if you're looking for more graphically intense games, this is the one to get, in my opinion. Yeah, it's kind of annoying how they don't mention having an SSD on here when I'm pretty sure there is one. But it's all good. Okay, let's move on to our third pick here. Here's one that I found, which is made by HP, which is not known for gaming, and I love the accents on this one because it matches my channel. Colors. Okay, so this is the 2019 HP Pavilion Gaming VR gaming PC. It's got an AMD Ryzen 5 quad-core processor. So check this out. Ryzen 5, which is a really good processor, quad-core, 3.9 gigahertz. That is so incredibly powerful. 8 gigabytes of DDR4, which is a little low for gaming, but I'm guessing you can upgrade this to 16 gigs. Most PCs you can. 1 terabyte hard drive for all your games, 128 gigabyte SSD to put your Windows operating system on. It's got the AMD Radeon RX 580, which is a really solid GPU. Wi-Fi, whatever, Windows 10, Bluetooth. Yeah, I got no complaints for this one. It's solid overall. This one's pretty similar to the first one I showed you in terms of specs. Here are all the specs right here. So DDR4, 128GB SSD. Yeah, I got really no complaints with this one either. RX 580 obviously isn't going to be able to handle like insane 4K graphically intensive games, but it should do the job for most 1080p gaming, Fortnite, PUBG, anything like that you throw at it, it's going to be completely fine. So yeah, guys, that's going to be my top 3 favorite budget gaming PC builds. These are all pre-built, by the way, and I recommend you go check these out on Amazon. I'll leave links to all 3 of these in the description if you guys want to go pick one up. If you guys have any other gaming PCs that you want me to review or take a look at, you can just leave those in the comments down below. Also, guys, added channel members to the channel, so if you want to be a channel member, you can join and pay a small monthly fee for that. Make sure to go check out my second channel, Gaming Made Easy, where I'm going to be doing some live streams, Apex, Black Ops, Fortnite, anything like that. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.